When I started playing the piano, I would listen to Bob James for inspiration, even though I had not a clue what he was doing. One of such songs that I would listen to, and I kind of get a feel for it, but have no clue what was going on, is this song right here. And if you're a Bob James fan, you know what this is. So let's jump into it. Drop me a comment below if you know what this song is. This is a sequence I did from scratch on the DGX 670, and let's listen. All right, tribute to the OG Bob James. If you have an idea what that song is, drop it in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely not half as crazy as the original, but a tribute to the great Bob James, who I have learned a tremendous amount from just listening. The power of listening as a tutor to a student. It's just unbelievable. A lot of what I listened to didn't understand what was going on, but it's been there over the years, at least good 30, 40 years. That, yeah, 30 plus years. There's that song registered deep, deep down. That song, just to give you a clue, that album registered among the top 10 on the charts. That's all I'm going to say. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.